In this video, we're going over how to reset your LG Stylo 5 back to factory settings. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to show you how to reset your Stylo 5 back to factory settings. You're going to go to the settings wheel at the bottom of the screen. For some of you guys, you may need to swipe down from the top, pull down, and then tap on the little wheel right here to get to it. Make sure you're on the general tab. Go down to accounts. Any Google accounts you have on the phone, you'll need to tap on it, hit remove account, and remove. And you'll repeat that process until you've removed every Google account from the phone. Then we're going to hit the back arrow here, and then we're going to swipe up until we get to restart and reset. Go to factory data reset, and then reset phone, and then delete all, and then reset. At this point, it will erase all of your data off of the phone. Give it anywhere from a minute to about 5 minutes to erase all of your data, and then set it up like brand new. You'll know the process is finished because you will see it pop up on the screen to ask you to select the language. That's how you know it's completely done. So put the phone down, don't touch it, and just let it fully reset. Hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below if it was helpful, and stay tuned for more videos. Take care and have a good one.